If you want to unlink your Snapchat account from Facebook, follow these simple steps to ensure your accounts are no longer connected. Step 1. Open Snapchat. Launch the Snapchat app on your mobile device and log into your account if you haven't already. Step 2. Access your profile. Tap on your profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page where you can manage your account settings. Step 3. Go to Settings. In your profile page, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner to open the Settings menu. Step 4. Find linked accounts. Scroll down to the Account Actions section and look for the Linked Accounts option. Tap on it to see the accounts that are currently linked to your Snapchat. Step 5. Unlink Facebook. Locate Facebook in the list of linked accounts and tap on it. You will see an option to unlink your Facebook account. Confirm your choice and your Snapchat will no longer be connected to Facebook. By following these steps, you can successfully unlink your Snapchat account from Facebook. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out for help.